quest to the peak, I climb with iron will. Each step a testament, each scar a skill. The goal's a distant star, but I'm locked on its glow. I carve my fate with grit, let the doubters know. The grind don't sleep, it's woven in my code. Every hour's fuel to lighten up the load. I'm not chasing dreams, I'm hunting what's mine. Relentless in my heart, disciplined in my mind. Relentless pursuit, I'm forged in the fight. No pause, no break, I'm claiming my right. Through the sweat, through the pain, I ignite. Relentless pursuit, I'm the spark in the night. They see the finish line, but miss the steps between. The work behind the glory, the hustle unseen. I'm up before the dawn, my focus razor sharp. Each task a string I play on ambition's harp. El tiempo es dinero, como dice el ching. So I stack my efforts high, let the progress sing. No fate's been handed down, I write my own decree. The goal's not just to win, but to master who I'll be. Relentless pursuit, I'm forged in the fight. No pause, no break, I'm claiming my right. Through the sweat, through the pain, I ignite. Relentless pursuit, I'm the spark in the night. The road's a marathon, not a fleeting race. Each fall's a lesson learned, each ride's a state of grace. I build my world with hands that never shake. My heart's a furnace, fierce, no force can make it break. The summit's in my soul, it's more than what I gain. It's knowing that I fought through every ounce of pain. Relentless is my name, my creed, my guiding star. I reach my mark no matter where you are. Relentless pursuit, I'm forged in the fight. No pause, no break, I'm claiming my right. Through the sweat, through the pain, I ignite. Relentless pursuit, I'm the spark in the night. When the world's a storm, a code carved in my chest is how my soul was formed. I walk with those who bleed for me, no questions asked. We built this bond through fire, no need for masks. Betrayal's cheap, it's sold on every corner street. But trust is rare, it's gold beneath the concrete. I guard my circle tight, no cracks to let them through. My words, my weight, it holds when skies ain't blue. Loyalty's my anchor, keeps me grounded in the fray. And through the dark, through the fight, it lights the way. Never break, never bend, I hold it to the end. Loyalty's my blood, my family, my friend. Than what a dream could cost. Trade their soul for glitter, then regret what's lost. But me, I ride for mine no matter what the weight. We rise as one, divided only by the fate. El tiempo es dinero, como dice el ching. But loyalty's eternal, it's the song I sing. It's not about the spotlight, it's the roots we grow. The ones who hold you down when the world says no. Loyalty's my anchor, keeps me grounded in the fray. Through the dark, through the fight, it lights the way. Never break, never bend, I hold it to the end. Loyalty's my blood, my family, my friend. This ain't a contract signed, it's deeper than the ink. It's heart, it's sacrifices standing on the brink. For those who've had my back, I'd give my final breath. We built a fortress strong, no fear of death. The road is cold, but loyalty's the flame. It's written in our scars, it's branded in our name. So when the curtain falls, I know who'll still be there. The ones who walk with me when life was unfair. Loyalty's my anchor, keeps me grounded in the fray. Through the dark, through the fight, it lights the way. Never break, never bend, I hold it to the end. Loyalty's my blood, my family, my friend. The family, my friend.
shadows. Let my work scream loud, no need for banners. I don't chase the crowd, every drop of sweat's a brick in my design. I'm building empire steady, one step at a time. They flaunt the hustle, but it's smoke, no flame. I'm carving out my legacy, no need for fame. The grind's my sermon, every scar's my verse. Results don't lie, they break the loudest curse. Grind without echoes, let the outcome speak. Silent in the hustle, but my vision's never weak. Every move's precise, every goal's in reach. Grind without echoes, that's the gospel I preach. I clock in with my soul, no need for applause. Each task a battle won, each flaw a cause. They're shouting for attention, I'm crafting in the dark. My focus is my weapon, my discipline's the spark. El tiempo es dinero, como dice el chin. So I stack my hours high, let the future bring. No noise to mark my path, just footprints in the stone. The work's my testament, it stands when I'm gone. Grind without echoes, let the outcome speak. Silent in the hustle, but my vision's never weak. Every move's precise, every goal's in reach. Grind without echoes, that's the gospel I preach. The world don't owe you nothing. You earn it quietly, relentlessly. Let the results be your roar. The world don't owe you nothing. You earn it quietly, relentlessly. Let the results be your roar. The world died. Come speak. Silent in the hustle, but my vision's never weak. Every move's precise, every goal's in reach. Grind without echoes, that's the gospel I preach. The world don't owe you nothing. You earn it quietly, relentlessly. Let the results be your roar. The world don't owe you nothing. You earn it quietly, relentlessly. Let the results be your roar. Family ain't just blood. It's the fire in your veins. It's the why behind the fight. The strength through the pain. My kin's my fuel, the pulse that keeps me whole. They're the roots beneath my dreams, the anchor to my soul. Through every storm I face, their love's my shield. A bond forged in the struggle, a truth that won't yield. I carry their names in every step I take. For them I'd bend the stars, for them I'd break. No wealth compares to what their hearts provide. Family's the engine that keeps my spirit alive. Blood is the engine, it's the fire in my core. For them I rise, for them I wage the war. Divide, seen loyalty decay, but family holds me steady when the skies turn gray. They taught me how to stand, to fight, to never fold. Their wisdom's in my veins, worth more than gold. El tiempo es dinero, como dice el chin. But family's timeless, it's the crown I bring. For every sacrifice I'll pay it tenfold back. Their love's the map I follow when the road is black. Blood is the engine, it's the fire in my core. For them I rise, for them I wage the war. the ones who'll carry on. My name's a torch I pass before my breath is gone. Every brick I lay is for the ones I hold. A legacy of love, unbreakable, untold. No distance breaks the tie, no time can dim the flame. Family's the reason that I rewrite the game. So when I'm dust, my heart will still remain. In every beat they carry, through the joy, through the pain. The blood is the engine, it's the fire in my core. For them I rise, for them I wage the war. Through the dark, through the weight, they're why I soar. Blood as the engine, forever, evermore. Blood as the engine, it's the fire in my core. For them I rise, for them I wage the war. Through the dark, through the weight, they're why I soar. Blood as the engine, forever, evermore. Mastermind, yeah, we building the wealth. Time is gold, gotta stack it for self. Hard in the grind, soul pushing the mission. Every step forward, we claiming the vision. Yo, I'm scheming like a king, got the blueprint in my brain. Every move calculated, turning losses into gains. Sweat drips, clock ticks, that's the rhythm of the hustle. Mind sharp like a blade, cut through doubt and the struggle. They say, Ching, why you grinding like the world's on your back? Cause time's the only currency, no way I'm giving slack. From the block to the boardroom, I'm writing my fate. Dedication in my veins, yeah, I'm building something great. Mastermind, he building the wealth. Time is gold, gotta stack it for self. Hard